everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India has witnessing a steady decline in daily cases. The country recorded 1,52,734 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, the lowest daily count in 48 days or since April 13, 2021. The daily death toll, however, remained over the 3,000 mark with 3,128 deaths. India's total case now stand at 28 crore 47,534, while total fatalities are at 3,29,100. According to the MOHFW, the test positivity rate has risen to 9%. India continues to be the second worst hit nation, with 28,864 cases reported in the last 24 hours. Tamil Nadu is leading the state list. It is followed by Karnataka with 28,053 new infections. Kerala reported 19,894 cases. Maharashtra is 18,600 cases and Andhra Pradesh is 13,400 cases. The case count was 11,284 for West Bengal. The six most affected state by the total cases are Maharashtra 5 crore 73 lakh 1,815, Karnataka 2 crore 58 lakh 7,827, Kerala is 2 crore 51 lakh 4,279, Tamil Nadu 2 crore 68,580, Uttar Pradesh 1 crore 69 lakh 60, Andhra Pradesh 1 crore 68 lakh 5,142. Dr. N.K. Arora, chairperson of Working Group of National Technical Advisory Group of Immunization, said that approximately 8 vaccines may be mixed and matched in the process, including Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V. Urgent requirement: TVS Hero Moto Crop Limited, Neem Rana, Rajasthan, Hero Chowk. All the facilities were available here, and the age limit is 18 to 25. Please send your resume to WhatsApp number. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday alleged that the central government has a zero vaccine policy, which is acting as a danger in Mother India's heart. He also attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi over media reports which claimed that post-COVID, the unemployment rate was in a double digit in May this year. The zero vaccine policy of Modi government is acting like a danger in Mother India's heart, said Truth. Gandhi said in a tweet in Hindi, "One man and his ignorance plus one virus and its mountains." He said in another tweet, citing a report that claimed that 97% of Indians are poorer post-COVID. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll-free number 1800 258 7060. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has given a big relief to the retail trade amid the lockdown continuing till June 15 in the state. He announced that retail business shops would be open from 12 to 3 p.m. It also allowed it to operate in the IT sector with a presence of 10% at the same time. The laborer engaged in construction work were asked to get vaccinated and get the work done. He was asked to follow the mask and social distance. Ocean Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Mangli Mandi 52 from the Beshwari village in Nuturia block once again sat on a dharna near the Prabilia Kalori in line with her son Vidyasagar Mandi on the demand for land once again. This brought the production to a standstill. Meanwhile, Nituria police arrived and recorded her statement. Leaders of trade union, colliery manager Anand Prakash and others were present on the occasion. Let us hear what Mangli said.
চাকরি জয়েনের জন্য তো যত জমি চাই তত জমি তো হচ্ছে না।
হচ্ছে তো আমি জমা দিয়েছি তো
কই
আর তুমি না দিবি এই যাই দিস এখন আমার নাম মঙ্গলী মান্ডি।
কেন ইন্টারনেট ধর্নাতে বসেছো?
কেন বসে আছি আমার জমি নিয়েছে ইসিয়াল চাকরি দিব বলে।
কবে নিয়েছিল?
2005 সালে।
কত জমি নিয়েছিল?
2 একর 46 ডিসমিল। ওই তো ওরাই লিখেছে 2 একর 46 ডিসমিল।
2 একর 46 ডিসমিল।
হ্যাঁ
তাও এখন পর্যন্ত দেয়নি।
এখন পর্যন্ত কি করে নিয়েছে? আমাকে না নোটিশ দিয়ে ওরা বিনা বলে জমিন কাটেছিল, আমার সবজি নষ্ট করেছে, সব মারণ করেছিল। তখন আমি সেদিন ছিল না বাড়িতে, দোসরা দিন এসেছি, এজেন্টগুলোকে পোলার ধরে মারেছি আর কেসও করে দিয়েছি। কেসও করেছি যে তখন কেসে আমার উকিলের কাছে ডিসমিস করলো। ডিসমিস মানে ও বললে উকিল, আমার উকিল বলছে কি আমাকে সাহেব টাকা দিচ্ছে, তো বলছে নিয়ে এলো টাকা, তো ঘুষ দিচ্ছে, তো বলছে তোর তাহলে কেসটা উঠে যাবে। তো সে উঠুক, আমি তো জমি তো দিই না, আমি জমি দিব না। তো
কোন গ্রামে বাড়ি তোমার?
আমার দুবছর গ্রাম, যেখানে ওপেন কাজ শুনেছে সেখানে।
ওপেন কাজ এখানে হচ্ছে সেখানে।
তো বললো কি তো আমি জমিটা আমি দিয়ে গেছি।
তোমার নাম বাবু? কি
বিদ্যাসর মান্ডি।
ইনি মা? তো আগে বার যদি যে বসেছিলে ধর্নাতে, তো কর্তৃপক্ষ তোমাকে কিছু ঠিকাদারিয়ানদের কাজ দিয়েছিল, সে কাজটা কি হলো?
ওটার কাজ ওটা আলাদা, এটা
মানে কাজটা করছো না ছেড়ে দিলে?
ওটা করছি,
করে দিয়েছো?
করছে আজকে এজেন্ট বললে হাজিরি বন্ধ করে দে।
হাজির বন্ধ করে দেবো?
বন্ধ হোক না কেন, আমার তো ওইটার সময়
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
জিএম সাহেব,
কাগজটা দেখাও একটু।
জিএম সাহেব পিএম সাহেব বলেছে
সব আছে, ওটা
পাঠিয়ে পকড়ি তো
সব জমি আছে।
এটা তো আমি লিখি না।
थोड़ा पीछे कीजिए, पीछे कीजिए।
আজ থেকে কাজ বন্ধ হয়ে যায়।
হ্যাঁ এজেন্ট বলে কেন আজকে এক্ষণে এইখানে বলে দিয়ে গেল, ওইখানে থেকে আজকে কেন আসলো, ওইখানে থেকে আসলো
थोड़ा
না।
ऊपर की, थोड़ा सा हल्का हल्का ऊपर, हल्का ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर, ठीक है हो जाएगा, ठीक है।
এইটা তো এরা দেয় না, ওইখানে
কত হাজির দিত?
ঠিকাদার আনবে।
वो 18,000 महीना है करीब 18,000 रुपये। हाँ प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी गार्ड वाला नहीं।
এখন बढ़े গেছে, আগে কম।
Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. And rest is after this break. BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari, former mayor of Asansol, on Sunday provided mask and sanitizer to the worker to distribute mask and sanitizer among the people at various ward and divisional level of Pandeshwar Assembly. Consequently, Jitendra Tiwari from his residential office gave 202 pieces N95 mask and 100 bottles sanitizer for different award. During this time, former councillor Bapi Wheeler, Bigu Thakur, Shamda Pal, BJP leader Rakesh Sharma, Kartik Das, etc. were present. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Resident BSF Jawan Ritesh Yadav, age 25, died to drowning in River Ganga. The accident occurred at Srirampur Ghat in Balia district of Uttar Pradesh. Ritesh, in-law, resident of Kulti in Mohammadpur, he came here to attend the wedding on Sunday. His 18-year-old brother-in-law Hariom Yadav went to bath in the river Ganges. At the same time, both of his legs slipped. Both drowned. In getting deeper, drivers recovered the bodies of both in the evening. After this incident, the happiness of marriage turned into mourning. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Customers are being deprived of service at Domhani Post Office under Barabani Police Station from 14 May 2021 today on 31 May 2021. Customer and agent come again and see the postmaster is not coming to post office. Local people are protesting. They come and turn around, and if you don't pay, then you log the post office. Then there is Barabani Police.
কি নাম আপনার?
আমার নাম প্রভাত মাঝি।
আমি এসেছি ওই যে পয়সা পেয়েছি না,
কতদিন ধরে ঘুরছেন?
আমি 15 দিন থেকে খুঁজছি।
কি বলছে এরা?
আমি পয়সা খুঁজছি।
এরা কি বলছে?
এরা বলছে 15 তারিখে 10 তারিখে।
হ্যাঁ।
আজ 31 তারিখ ছিল, আজকে ডেট ছিল কিন্তু আসেনি।
আজকে কি বলেছে আপনাকে?
আজ বলে নাই, বলে 5 তারিখে 2 তারিখে।
হ্যাঁ। এখন গেছিলেন ভেতরে?
হ্যাঁ।
এখন ওইরকমই বলছে?
হ্যাঁ।
কি নাম আপনার?
রোশন সাজি। পোস্ট অফিস।
কি কারণে?
টাকা ছাড়াই।
কোথায় কোন কই যেতে থাকে?
এমআইসি করা আছে, টাকা আমরা নেই, হাট করব, খাবো, আমাদের কোনো রোজগার নাই, এটা থেকে খাই, সংসার চালাই।
কতদিন ধরে ঘুরছেন আপনি?
রোজা থেকে ঘুরছি, রোজাতে ঘুরে গেলাম, বন্ধ, ফিরে আসছি।
এরা কি বলছে এখানে পোস্ট অফিসে?
ওই বন্ধ বলছি।
কি নাম আপনার?
আশরাফুল বিবি।
আমি মাঝে মাঝে বলছি যে আমি খবর পাই, ফোন বসে থাকি, আমাকে বলে দিয়ে লোক গেলাম, আমি আসে তো টাইম হয়ে গেছে। কাল দায়িত্ব দিয়ে জানো তো,
বাইরেটা
কোথায় এমন না, এইখানে
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. On the occasion of World Number Tobacco Day at Baranpur Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee has logged a complaint with Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate Police Commissioner Ajay Kumar Thakur with view to banning the use of Asansol tobacco product and building a healthy society by stopping illegal and banned drug trafficking in the industry. After giving memorandum and complaint letter, Baranpur Gurdwara SA Committee.
News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
Krishna Prasad, a prominent social worker and businessman from Silpanchal, entered politics before the assembly election and joined the BJP. He was not able to spend much time on business due to this. His businesses has been affected for the past 6 months and his 300 employees are suffering. The above words were said by Krishna Prasad while addressing the journalist in his residential office. He said that he would not to do politics anymore. He was not able to give time to his business due to politics. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol Durgapur Police Commissariat has once again been reshuffled with Sub-Inspector level police officer Amit Haldar from Faridpur Police Station has been made in charge of Niamatpur branch. Meanwhile, Durgapur Traffic Guard in charge Seetal Nag has been made in charge of Jhangiri Mohalla Fandi. Rajsekhar Mukherjee has been sent to Durgapur Special Branch and Manoranjan Mandal in ADPC DD. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Mamata Banerjee appointed Alpana Banerjee as the Chief Advisor to Chief Minister amidst the Center State dispute. Hari Krishna Dwivedi will be the new Chief Secretary of the state. Meanwhile, new Home Secretaries of BP Gopalika state have been appointed. The Chief Minister also highly parasized Alpana Banerjee. It is noteworthy that Alpan retired today. Meanwhile, top-level administrative officials of the state, including the CM, were absent from the meeting during the PM's visit to review the YAS-affected areas. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Completed on date payment program for retired employees at Divisional Railway Manager Office Asansol 31 May 2021 on date payment program was organized in the new meeting room of Divisional Railway Manager Office Asansol. Mr. M.K. Meena, Upper Divisional Railway Manager, Eastern Railway Asansol, paid the settlement PPO settlement details and retired employees liberal health scheme RELHS payable to the windows of 44 retired employees. Deceased employees 28 of women were general retirees who were present. Card against assigned in this program in the month of May 2021, the retired employees of Asansol Mandal who have obtained in Hicheri. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. The Kulti Police Administration took a stand against illegal coal smuggling after receiving information from undercover sources. The police of Kulti Police Station raided various places and confiscated about 8 tons of coal. Police had information that illegal coal trade was going on in different parts of the area. Recently, some boys from the area retired to snatch coal while they were transporting illegal coal in a two-wheeler. Upon receiving the news, the police of Kulti Police Station reached the spot. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. After losing their jobs in the first phase of Corona last year, thousands of millions of Bengal workers returned home from different states. Obviously, the number of workers in Purulia district alone was more than 50,000. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee took the initiative to provide employment to returning workers in the state. SMS of news movement. No matter what yesterday was like, birds always start the new day with a song. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.